Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a broken Google Pixel 3 that's taped up and so bent. Can we fix it or not? This device came to us with a broken back and a broken display. Obviously, it has been crushed on the lower portion of the device, and fortunately, it didn't explode because that's the portion of the charging port and the battery. So this Google Pixel 3 is initially a white Google Pixel 3, but we're gonna try to fix it. And right here, as you can see, the back glass is not gonna be reused at the end. We're gonna replace that one as well. So this is a dual replacement of the front and the back glass. So we're gonna remove all the components, the wireless charging module, the front cameras, sensors, motherboard shrouds, the batteries, and of course, the broken glass that's left of the back cover. So this is the main board. We have to be very careful. There's a part here that's kind of thin, and this is the daughter board and the charging module, which we will also replace if it's not gonna be usable. The SIM card module, and this is the replacement screen. As you can see, this is not anymore white. This is a different color, a black one. So this is not gonna be the same color at the end. This is the old one and the replacement display. So we're gonna transplant all the parts that we have removed, and as you can see, this battery is bent. This is not a really good sign, but we're gonna reuse it because this is an original battery and we can still bend it back somehow. So with this kind of damage and this level of repair, we really suggest that you take it to a technician, a certified technician, to prevent any damage, fire hazard, or self-harm that can cause by meddling with a battery. So we're gonna install the front camera modules and sensors. So basically doing everything that we did in the first part of the video in reverse. As you can see here, the battery is somehow straight, and we're gonna install it back. So the battery is still good, but physically it's bent. And now we managed to put it back inside. This is the shroud for the daughter board. We're gonna install all the screws, and it's gonna be ready for testing. So we don't have to put all the components first, and it's still gonna work. That's the good thing about the Google Pixel 3. So the wireless charging here, and while it's still on, David, because he's a pro, still keeps on installing the screws, which is kind of amazing. But we trust him because he's doing this for a very, very long time. And he's now testing it. We're not gonna close the phone up because sometimes components do not work, like the front cameras. Like in this case, we did the whole procedure to install the front camera and the sensor, and it's now working. So we're gonna install the wireless charging module. This is gonna be one of the last pieces, the last one being the back cover. So that one is also brand new, and this is the Touch ID or the fingerprint scanner, which is the same color as the chassis and the back cover. white. So we're gonna call this the Panda Google Pixel 3, since it's being transformed into a black Google Pixel 3 but remained white on the fingerprint scanner, which is kind of cute. A Google Pixel 3 Panda. So we're gonna install the fingerprint scanner now, and we have put on fresh adhesives to attach the back cover, and we're gonna slowly do it right now. So as you can see, we have parts for Google Pixel 3. We also have parts for iPhones and other brands, especially Samsung devices. And this is a successful fix. So did we get it fixed or not? Definitely yes. So thanks for joining, guys. Till next time. Cheers.